We're in Numbers chapter 13, and then going into chapter 14. Moses sends some spies to explore the land of milk and honey, which they are supposed to enter into by God's command. God commands Moses to bring his people across the Red Sea, and then 40 days later into the Promised Land. But these spies come back and they report sights of giants. The people begin to have fear. They lose their faith, complain against God, against Moses and Aaron, and actually attempt to hold an election to vote in a leader who will take them back to Egypt. These people, out of just fear, decided to return to slavery instead of crossing over into paradise. Lost all faith just based on fear. And it says in verse 14, or chapter 14, the people rebel. That night, all the people of the community raised their voices and wept aloud. All the Israelites grumbled against Moses and Aaron, and the whole assembly said to them, "If only we had died in Egypt or in this desert. Why is the Lord bringing us to this land only to let us fall by the sword?" So they've lost all faith, which is horrible. "Our wives and children will be taken as plunder. Wouldn't it be better for us to go back to Egypt?" No, it would not be better to go back to Egypt. And they said to each other, "We should choose a leader and go back to Egypt." This is also an example of democracy gone wrong, right? A lot of people today in America view democracy as this like perfect, absolute, pure form of government. There is no democracy. There is one king that rules over everything, and his name is Jesus Christ. There is one king. He is God. When we put our faith in him, we will be delivered into freedom and into green pastures and into the land flowing with milk and honey. We just have to put our faith, invisible faith, in the invisible God, and all things will work out. It's faith, right? And this invisible God made himself known to us on the earth through the incarnation, and his name is Jesus Christ.